and I am here to show you my another project which I have done for the client. This is my LinkedIn account. Now I am going to the project section. If you want, you can visit my LinkedIn account to know more about me. Now I am showing you my another project which I have done for the client. You can also check where I have done my experience, my jobs. Okay, now focus on the client work. So now I'm showing you this one. WooCommerce, Minification, Elementor, catalog, rebuild, and whole website speed optimization. Now I'm showing you the website. Okay, this is the website. It is loading. It is taking a lot of time because they have used the big image, and I have told them that please do not use this heavy image, use the YouTube link, but they never want YouTube link. They said we will use the high quality video on our front page. So that's why it's taking time in loading. So if you see the loading, so please ignore this because client do not want to fix this. So this is not my problem. This is the client's problem. Why they not want to fix? I told them use the YouTube link. Okay, what I have done in this page, I have added the mute and mute button. When you click on this, now this one is false. The first thing I have did. The second one I have created the this page, our product. This is the page I have created. This website is too heavy to load due to the front page video which is in HD quality. That's why the website is slow. I have told them please remove this video and use the YouTube link so your website will be fast, but they do not care about this. What other speed optimization I have done on their website without this video. So this is the main speed optimization, but they do not care. This is the page I have created for them. That's it. How beautiful is this? I added load mode. When you scroll, you need load mode, but due to I think my internet problem or their website is load is getting more, so you can visit this website and see on your own. That is check it. Okay, next one is now for the about us. I also created this page about us. You can also use it from there to the product pages. Check it. It's taking time. Sorry guys, I'm wasting your time. Which one in the pages? This is the about page. I have created this about page. Check it. It's a simple page. Okay. Our catalog. This is another page. I have created this full website WordPress using Elementor. I love Elementor to create website in that. It is so much easy and beautiful to create website in there. There are a lot of add-ons, Elementor add-ons to make your website more beautiful, more dynamic. Okay, this is the catalog page. This is actually a simple one. When you hover on this, you will see that this is this. When you open, they have added the PDF there. This is the PDF about all that one. When you click on this, it will also open the PDF one. Okay, now the contact us. This is the contact us page. Check it how the contact form is on the right hand side, left hand side section. This is the map. This is the simple. When you click on our product, it will go to the our product page. From there, you can see their product there. You can click on all products. They will show all products. This is the all products. When you click on save, it will only show this product. Only showing that product which is this. Then click on another product. You will see only that specific product. This is the product. That is the simple website I have created for them. Click on the logo. You will go again to the home page. This is a simple website. If you like my work, please share, subscribe my channel to get to know more about languages and like what. Also follow me on LinkedIn.